Hello and welcome to the Berman Fan TV. It's the off-road match preview show as San Miguel taking on Alaska tomorrow night 5:15 p.m. at the Smart Arenada Coliseum, which is televised on PBA Rush, on Signal, Sports5.ph on live stream, and TV5. SMB got came back their defeat against Phoenix last Wednesday. Now SMB is looking for another bounce back win when they taking on the Aces. But the good news is no Eximiniano, no Vic Manuel, and even Calvin Abueva and Nonoy Baclao is injured. Now SMP got their chance to prove that we are the defending cup champions as well, the Philippine Conference. So SMB is looking for their bounce back win against the Aces in a full strong position lineup. Now Coach Leo Austria is looking for another new tactics against the Aces that they needed for. So SMB needs a key to win is on aggressiveness, passing, and shooting field goals as well. So SMB needs to improve on those three key words to win this ball game right now. And my starting five will be Fajardo, Santos, Cabagnot, Ross, and Lasseter. In it, so that's the first choice. The second choice probably it will be Van Ostel would start right now. Cabagnot as well, Fajardo, Santos, and Lasseter. So that's my second option. And my formation will be 3-1-1 formation on both offense and defensive portion. Anyway, what do you think on my two optional possible formation for the starting five on the San Miguel Beerman squad for tomorrow's game against the Aces? Tell us in the comment section below. I'm Andrew Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shala. Bye.